Hello, my name is Cordelia. So I present the scope of business project. The scope of our innovation project is to produce instant Linut and to identify the suitable ingredient and best instruction. To identify the suitable ingredient is a substance that form part of mixture. For example, cooking recipe specify which ingredients are used to prepare a specific dish. The analysis involved community to produce instant Linut is leading a global manufacturer of sustainable product and produce food focused on ethics to provide the product development and manufacturing expertise for testing, nutrition, private labor product across a comprehensive range of product categories. To prepare instant Linut can either use pour water or boiling water in a pot. Hot water, 2 persons is needed, 1 person to pour hot water and 1 person to stir it. Add in normal water first to make it watery and does not turn into starch too much, then add in hot water and stir continuously until all the sago turn clear and gooey. On a lighter note, Mlana used 2 bamboo sticks to eat a delicacy. Meals does not have to include a laundry list of ingredients to be healthy. Try recipe with simple ingredients and build from there to include spice or other additives that your family enjoy. The table shows total of raw material used in project, which is tepung sago Linut 3 ringgit 50 cent, serbuk belacan 5 ringgit, salted fish 2 ringgit, sambal tempoyak 25 ringgit. Equal is 35 ringgit 50 cent. The table for variable cost for 1 hour production. The use for water is 5 liter and cost 25 cent. Gas for 1 hour and cost 10 cent. Electricity for 1 hour and cost 9 cent. So equal is 44 cent. The table for packaging cost for this project for the self-adhesive transparent plastic total 3 ringgit 20 cent for 50 pieces. Transparent silver aluminum bag total 12 ringgit 50 cent for 50 pieces. Ziploc bag total 4 ringgit 10 cent for 100 pieces and sticker is 25 ringgit for 5 pieces, so equal is 44 ringgit 80 cent. The total to produce 10 pieces and 1 piece of frozen instant Linut Borneo. For 1 kilo of mixture can produce 10 piece product, total 100 ringgit and 1 piece for 10 ringgit. And then the profit margin for the product, this project sells the product in 5 pieces. Profit margin for the product is 10%, 100% or 10 ringgit gross profit for 5 pieces and 2 ringgit gross profit for 1 pieces. So for the conclusion is, the goal of this innovation is to improve the process. From this standpoint, it is possible to alter the process by minimizing the amount of time spent on the prior iteration process of the product. Then, by converting repetitions of a procedure into liquid in a pan or bowl, you can save electricity. Next, pasteurization is an effective and safe approach for employees because it is easy and does not require any special equipment such as blade, and it can prevent harm during cooking. The boiling process can then be used to reduce labor and as a result to generate a superior product. Constant improvement is required. As a result, adding flavoring such belacan powder, salted fish, or tempoyak can improve the flavor even though. As a result, flavoring is the ideal way to make this product. Next is recommendation. For the next researchers, we recommend doing a lab test for the lifespan of the product at Malaysia Agriculture Research and Development Institute, or we can call MARDI. The next recommendation is to make further research for tempoyak on how to make it in shape of cube and dry. Make it like paste of Maggi mee so it can be dipping sauce for the Linut. We also recommend minimizing the product production cost by make a research on how to create a side dish in one packaging only so it can reduce the production cost and the price of the product, and do a research on how to make instant Linut without freeze it so can reduce the production cost by dry it under the sun, and make a solution on how to create a Linut without use any electricity by see the result by dry it under the sun.